Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 3rd, August the 4th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku. The first puzzle I will do is the Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 9020. Before I start, I always count between the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Between the digits. Should be 24 for 4 stars. It has 25. Should be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a really 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about Come on. Well, 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I need a 4 here, I need a 4 there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in the first column could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4, A should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 6, 7, 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the first row, so no 7, 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, so 1 digit left for this big square for number 6. Alright, then. Need a 9 here. Need a 9, 8 there. Let me see. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 there. 5, 8, 3, 4. Need one of those numbers here. 1. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 8. 8 should be here. Yeah. 4. Need a 5 here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5. Okay, 5 here. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit 1, number 5. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 2 here, need an 8 here. 8, 8, 2, 8, and the 6. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. The 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 4. I need a 2. One of the missing number in the second row is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And the 6 here, okay. And now, 4, 4. 6, 6. No 6 here, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. Well. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2. Oh, wait. No. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and 2 in these two boxes. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column, no 1 and 2 in that box. So 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Here are 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 8 and the 4, 8 and the 4. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 4, 4, and 4, need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 2 goes there. Need a 3 there. Then 2, need a 2 here. Need a 2 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 in that box. So 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4. It should be there. Then 3, 8, 9. Let me think. 7. I need a 6 here also. 6, 6, 6, 6. 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. How about the 1s? Nope. 1, need a 1 here, need a 1 there, need a 7 here. Yes, 7 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level is 7 should be there. Then let me see, 9 and 8. Yeah, 9 and 8. Okay. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 1 box left now in the last row for number, I believe, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, and the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Alright. Then let me see. 3, 8, and the 4. And the 4 here. Need a 4 there. About the 2. 2, 2, 2. 4, 6, and a 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in this row should be there. 7 and 9, we have 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the that row, so no row between. The middle row, the only place left for 9 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 6. And now, 9 here, okay. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Oh, I cannot fill this yet. What's happening here? Here also 3 and 8. Need a 4 there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. Okay. 4 in this column. Last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. So 3 and 8 are left here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 3 goes there. Here also 3 and 8, we have a 3 now, so this box should be an 8. Here also 3 and 8, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be in, and 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solved again, and I like this one here, so we do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.